The SECUNORM 380 from MARTOR is a safety knife with an especially long cutting depth. It cuts like a cutter, but more safely. To use the SECUNORM 380, first unlock the slider. The blade retracts automatically following cutting, as long as you take your thumb off the slider. When finished, always lock, and keep it safe in the belt holster. Unlock again to cut, and extend the blade according to the thickness of the material. Remember, thumb away to enable blade retraction. When finished, lock and return to the belt holster. The long blade is also ideal when cutting through polystyrene. Thumb off, blade retracts. In the Turn Blade section, we show you how to convert your SECUNORM 380 into a knife for left-handers. Whether you are left or right-handed, pierce first, then cut. The full cutting length is not required to remove end covers from paper rolls, therefore, extend the blade according to requirements. Form a line for straightening. Cut with the SECUNORM 380 and flex the blade for an optimal cut. But never overflex the blade. It could break. To rejoin paper rolls requires splicing. To cut a straight line, unlock the SECUNORM 380 and use existing surfaces as a guide. The SECUNORM 380 is also ideal for cardboard up to 4 ply. Unlock to cut. Important, never put your free hand on the cutting path. When cutting through flaps, never cut, as for any cutting, directly towards you. And for automatic blade retraction, thumb away in time. Rotate the blade to convert your SECUNORM 380 into a left-hander knife. To do this, unlock, push down blade change button at the end of the handle, remove slider and blade, rotate blade. Be careful, don't touch the cutting edge. Always hold the blade at its blunt edge. Reinsert the rotated blade back into the handle, push catch up, test where the blade extends. You now have a knife for left-handers. Lock and insert in the belt holster. To change blade, remove slider and blade from the rear. Remove used blades on time and dispose of instantly. Only use MARTOR blades. Place the new blade exactly on the location lobe and slide everything back into the handle. Close handle end and test by extending. Lock. Remove the slider and blade before cleaning and store safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Reinsert the slider and blade back into the handle. And keep safely in the MARTOR belt holster. Use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster. And follow the instructions in the user manual.